What if everything you thought you needed for survival was only the beginning? What if real preparedness went beyond stockpiling cans and bottled water and unlocked a level of confidence you didn't even know you had? Stick with me, because that's where we're going. Most people start prepping with the basics: food, water, shelter. Smart, but not enough. When things get real, extra tools and smarter planning can be the difference between chaos and control. I've been on this journey a while now, and I found out something big. Preparedness isn't just survival, it's freedom. Let's talk gear. Not the cheap stuff, the good stuff. Tactical backpacks that don't fall apart under pressure. Mole webbing that lets you customize your setup. Headlamps that don't die after 10 minutes. Solid boots. Those are non-negotiable. Your feet carry you through every situation, you better take care of them. Then there's medical readiness. A basic first aid kit is fine for paper cuts. But real emergencies need real tools. Tourniquets, hemostatic gauze, splints, trauma dressings. When help is far away, you are the first responder. I once saw a buddy take a nasty fall on a hike, deep cut, bleeding fast. We stayed calm because we were prepared. That moment changed everything for me. Water. You can only survive 3 days without it. That's why water filtration isn't optional, it's essential. A compact filter can turn a muddy stream into a safe drink. Gravity-fed filters handle big groups during long emergencies. And when you take that first sip of clean water in the wild, you feel unstoppable. Don't forget security. Because, let's be real, hard times bring desperate people. Reinforced doors, motion lights, window locks, cheap upgrades that make you a harder target. Awareness is your best weapon. If you know what's happening around you, you stay one step ahead. Power grid down. No problem. Solar chargers and portable panels are lifesavers. I've kept phones, radios, and lanterns running deep in the mountains. No outlets needed. The sun still works, even when society doesn't. But here's the secret. Skills beat gear every time. Learn fire building, defensive tactics, land navigation, foraging, wilderness medicine. When you train your mind and body, you're dangerous in the best way. And don't isolate yourself. Build a prepper network. Share knowledge, trade skills. Community isn't weakness, it's a survival multiplier. Preparedness isn't fear. It isn't paranoia. It's power and responsibility. Don't just get ready. Stay ready. Your future self is counting on you.